In today's video, we will talk about how to fix your Samsung refrigerator when the temperature display blinks. But first, let's discuss why this happens. The temperature display on your Samsung refrigerator blinks when the internal temperature rises to 59 degrees. Common causes of this issue include an open door or a power failure. To address this problem, start by checking the door seals. Ensure the door is properly closed, there are no obstructions, and the fridge is not overstocked. Inspect the door seal for any damage. If it is damaged, replace it. Once these steps are done, you need to wait. The temperature display blinks when the internal temperature rises due to a power failure or an open door. When power is restored, the refrigerator turns on, and the compressor begins the cooling process, which can take up to 4 hours. Monitor the temperature changes in the refrigerator during this time. If the refrigerator is cooling, continue to wait. If not, try restarting the refrigerator. If the refrigerator does not start properly after a blackout, unplug it and wait for 60 seconds. While waiting, inspect the power cable and outlet for any damage. If the cable and outlet are fine, plug in the refrigerator and restart it. The refrigerator should begin cooling. If it still does not, contact a technician. That's all for today's tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.